So let's have a look at this. So a bunch of safeties in place here. Number one, I move it out of the way on a series of servos at the back. It doesn't get activated unless I flip a rocker switch, which automatically turns off. So on, and then when I let it go, off. So this one I can clamp. See how it pushes in there? So I'm trying to get it against the back. This would be the perfect cut and roll. And then I rock it on, and then I just gently let it start eating into it. It'll fall and roll forward. Unclamp, unroll, and then get it out of there. Bye-bye. Get off of my roller.